Hey everyone, this is Travis with Diesel Laptops. Today we're using the TEXA off-highway unit on a Bobcat E85 with a Yanmar engine. TEXA actually just added Yanmar in their last update. We are on version 18 now for this test here, but still will warn you there about the external power. And we'll hit confirm here at this point, and it's going to take just a second for it to connect at this. Alright, we're connected. I want to start over here on the parameters. As you can see up top, we've got 123 different parameters on this engine, and you can tell the engine is running right now. You can come in here, you can graph these out if you need to. If you need to look at them, you can do multiples as well. But I just want to kind of scroll through the list real quick, let you look at everything here. Voltages, so we get on down here. Percentages and hours, RPMs of course, and down towards the bottom we should start getting into some statuses here. Okay, there you go. These do populate as you scroll down the list and stop here. On the fault side of things, you can double click these. This will actually give you your P code or your SPN. If we click the star 1, 2, 3 here, what that is your freeze frame data. That'll give you a couple, pieces of information there on your hours. Under ECU info, this is where you're going to look for your engine type. Down here towards the bottom, it'll give us some of our part numbers for the DPF, DOC, and activations. This is where you get into the good stuff. This is where this tool sets apart from the rest. Alright, I want to run the injector test for this video here, and you're just going to click start. Of course, it's going to give you, a little bit of information about the test there, that we're cutting a cylinder off. And the date, which is in European standard here. We'll hit confirm. Okay, as you can see now on version 18 with this injector test, you've actually got a picture here and it's highlighting red each time we cut that cylinder out, and then you'll see that disappear down in that cylinder there. Alright, and each one of these cylinders are cutting out. I'm gonna get this last one here. Confirm. Alright, and the next important tab with this tool here is the settings tab. This is where you're going to be able to come in here, you're going to be able to run a regen, and that's the one we want to do for today. Yanmar does have a few types of regens, and this help menu here will let you know, what the different ones are and what they do. We're going to run the stationary today, but scroll down here. Confirm. Confirm again. Okay, it's going to lay it out in a nice picture representation here for you of the system. As you saw, as soon as I hit confirm, that DPF turned red there on the screen, and we should see the RPMs begin to rise here within just a few seconds. Alright, as you can see, the RPM level is rising, so the regen has started at this point. We're not going to sit here for the whole regen, but just wanted to show you some of the functionality on this particular engine. Thanks for watching.